Hello students, let us read this question. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 1, minus 5 and B minus 4, 5 is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. So in this question, we have to find out the ratio in which the line segment joining point A and B is divided by the x-axis, and we have to also find out the coordinates of the point of division. So let us first draw the diagram. So we have given a line segment joining by the point A and B. So let us assume that this is the line segment, given line segment, where coordinates of A is 1, minus 5 and coordinates of B is minus 4, 5. Now we have given that this line segment is divided by the x-axis. So let us assume that the point where this line segment is divided by the x-axis is point P. So we have to find out the ratio in which it divides the line segment. So let us assume that the ratio in which it divides is k is to 1. Now we can say that since point P is on x-axis, we can say that its y coordinate will be 0. Its y coordinate will be equal to 0. So therefore we can say that coordinates of point P will be x, 0. Now in order to find out the ratio in which the this point P divides the line segment AB, we will use section formula. By section formula, we can find out the x and y coordinate of point P. So let us first calculate the y coordinate. So y will be equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2, where m1 and m2 is the ratio in which the line segment the point P divides the line segment, and y1 and y2 are the y coordinates of the point A and B. So we can see that the y coordinate of point P is 0. So this will be 0 equal to m1 is k into y2 is 5 plus m2 is 1 and y1 is minus 5 divided by k plus 1. So if we take k plus 1 on the left hand side, so this will become 0 equals to 5k minus 5. So therefore this will be 5k equal to 5. So k will be 5 upon 5, which is nothing but 1. So therefore we can say that therefore the ratio is 1 is to 1. So we can say that the ratio in which the point P divides the line segment is 1 is to 1. Now in this question we have to find out the coordinates of the point also. That means we have to find out the x and y coordinates of the point P. So we already know the y coordinate, which is 0. So we have to just find out the x coordinate now. So using the same section formula, we can say that x will be equal to m1 m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Again, now we have found out the value of k, which is 1. So this will be 1 into x2 is minus 4 plus 1 into 1 divided by 1 plus 1, which is 2. So therefore x coordinate will be minus 4 plus 1 divided by 2, which is minus 3 upon 2. So we can say that the x coordinate and x and y coordinate of this point of division is minus 3, 2, 0. So therefore we can say that the ratio in which it divides comes out to be 1 is to 1, and the point of division, we can say that coordinates of point of division are minus 3, 2 and 0. So in this question, we have used the concept of section formula to solve the question. So I hope you have understood it well, and thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.